Hello students, welcome to your GK class. Today from our book GK Planet, we will read lesson 36, Let Us Be Safe, on page number 53. So students, please take out your books and open page number 53. Before starting with the chapter, I would like to tell you that the objectives of today's class will be to teach safety rules to be followed on road, against fire, relating to strangers, and against bad touch. Before starting with the chapter, I would like to discuss the meaning of the words being safe and safety rules. Being safe means to be safe, and safety rule means rules that keep us safe. So children, let us take some examples to understand about being safe. Kids, as you can see in the picture that a child is putting his hands on the socket and his hands are wet. What will happen now? The child will get a shock. So this shows that we should never touch any electric thing with our wet hands. Now let us take one more example to understand the meaning of the term being safe. Kids, look at this picture. Now you can see that a child is playing in between the road and a car is coming at his back. So playing on the road is not safe, so we should always play in the park. Now let us start with the reading of our lesson. Let's be safe. Put the pencil on the top line and read along with me. We must always make sure to take care of and protect ourselves from any danger. As I have shown you two pictures that by not following the safety rules, we can put ourselves in danger. So, we should always follow them and take care of ourselves. Now, let's read the next line. Here are some things we should always do to protect ourselves from harm. Now, let's study some more rules to protect ourselves from the harm. Now kids, come to the first picture. What is there in the picture? There is a beautiful girl who is crossing the road. There are white and black lines on the road, which we call zebra crossing. There is a traffic signal with three lights, green, yellow and red. Now let's read what they are saying. We should always look left, right, left before crossing the road at a zebra crossing when the traffic signal is red. Kids, now see this picture. You can see a child is standing on the road. So before crossing, he will first look towards the left side of the road, then towards the right side of the road, then again towards the left side. Now after looking on both the sides, when the signal is red, he will cross the road through zebra crossing. And what is zebra crossing? The white and black lines on the road. Now kids, let's come to second picture. What is there in the picture? There is a boy who is standing with a matchstick in his hand and he is playing with it. And in this way he can harm himself. Now, is it good to play with the matchstick? No, it is not. Now let's read the lines. Put your finger on the first line and read along with me. We should never play with matchsticks as they could burn us and cause us harm, as it is not good for us. Now let us take one example to understand this point. Kids, now again you can see in the picture that the child is touching the fire, which can cause harm to him. So we should never touch hot things or fire, as it may harm us. I hope all of you have understood the second point. Yes, now come to the third picture. Now what is there in the third picture? You can see that a man is giving toffees or sweets to a child, and the child is not taking the sweets. Why she is not taking the sweets? Because he is a stranger, which shows that we should never take anything from a stranger and we should never talk to them. Now let's read this. Put your finger here and read along with me. We should never take toffees or other foods from people whom we do not know. Why we should not take from them? Because it may harm us. Very good. Now come to fourth picture. Now kids, you can see that the man is touching a child and the child is running away as he is not known that man because he is a stranger. Now come, let's read what is written here. Put your finger here. If someone touches you wrongly or if you do not like their touch, you should run away from them and inform your parents. What they are saying that whenever you meet someone and they are touching you and you feel uncomfortable with them anywhere, you should always talk to your parents and with your teachers if you are in school, and you should run from there as it may harm us. I hope now all of you have understood this lesson. So please read the points again and revise them thoroughly and solve the worksheet given in the SNAP homework. At last, dear kids, one of the most important point I would like to discuss with you is about the coronavirus, as we all are passing through this critical situation. So be safe by being at your home, wash your hands after a few minutes, eat healthy, stay fit. Thank you.